Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now, first of all, on your mobile device, launch the Messenger application. Once you open up, make sure they are logged into your account. Now, from this interface, from the upper left corner, tap on the three-line icon. A dialog box will pop up. From that box again, tap on the settings icon from the upper right corner. You will land on your profile page. Now at the very top, in your profile icon, you will see a camera icon. Tap on there. A dialog box will pop up at the bottom of your screen. From there, you can change your profile picture. Now, if you already have a photo on your gallery, you can simply tap on choose from library and then select the one that you want to upload. Or else, if you want to take a new photo, simply tap on take photo and then capture a new photo. Or you can also use your avatar. Here I will choose one from my gallery, so tap on choose from library. Here select any photo that you want to upload, and on this page you can simply adjust your photo. And once you're done, tap on done from the upper right corner. And here it says once you upload this photo on your Messenger, this profile picture will also be updated on your Facebook account as well, but will not be shared in the feed. So with that on your mind, tap on save profile picture and then again tap, and here a dialog box will pop up that says your profile photo will also change on Instagram. Since this account is linked to Instagram, so when I change profile picture on Messenger, my profile picture will get changed on Facebook account, Messenger and Instagram as well, because I have linked my account. So with that on your mind, again tap on OK, and here the profile picture is changed. So this is how you can simply change your profile picture in Messenger. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.